So I ordered a lot of stuff for personal use from China, and I want to do a quick unboxing video with you guys. So this is the first item I got. So this is a very cute purse. Actually, the bags I bought, I actually bought them as samples because I was planning to start a bag business, but I changed my mind along the line. So I'm going to have a WhatsApp group where I post links to where I get my personal stuff from. So if you're interested, you can check the description box for the link to join the group. I won't be going in details because I need to get through all these things, and I don't want the video to be unnecessarily long. Cargo pants. I already opened some of these things though. The quality is manageable. I don't really feel bad because it wasn't so expensive, so it's actually manageable for the price that I got it for. This is what it looks like. So this is another one. I really love this one. I already checked it out and I totally love it. I love the fabric, I love the quality, I love the size, and I just love everything about this outfit. So it's a two-piece. This is the trouser, this is the sleeve. Yeah, they're just like small shorts. So these are jean trousers. So I got this color. And I got this other color. I haven't tried them on. I just hope they fit properly. Oh, so this is a gown. Oh no, this is a top actually. It's so beautiful. The fabric and the quality is so nice. This is a gown. I get so scared buying clothes from China, but so far I've been loving the experience. Like, I can't remember buying any outfits that the quality is not good or manageable, and I'm so impressed, honestly. Slides. They look so cute, but the quality is not all that great, even though I feel like they can last for a reasonable amount of time. But overall, I like them. This is also a gown. I really wish I can try this on, but that's going to take a really long time. So that's why I'm just showing you guys all the stuff I got. I really love the quality of these shoes. When I checked them out, I was so impressed. And you guys see, like, the quality is amazing. The sole, everything is just so nice, and it's definitely going to last for a long period of time. I can literally tell from how it feels. And this is also a bag. I might be posting some of these bags on my page for sale because I can't keep all of them. There are so many, because like I said, there were samples, so I might just post the ones that I can't keep on my page for sale. So this is what this looks like. Yeah, this is another bag. The handle is inside. This is what it looks like. So this is a trouser. I got 3 of these trousers, and then when I was buying it, I was so scared because I didn't want to buy a smaller size, and then I went for the biggest size they had, and now it's so big that it doesn't fit properly. It doesn't fit like I would want it to fit. So I don't know if it's possible to give it to a tailor here so they can help me resize it. But I'm just praying that it doesn't ruin the quality of the trousers. So this is what it looks like. Like, the quality is so nice, but it's just too big for me. Oh, this is a dress. It's so fine. Wow. Oh my god, like, our quality of these coats are so amazing. I wasn't even expecting them to be as good as this. Like, I was keeping my fingers crossed when I was buying these items, and now I'm so happy. So this is another bag. Like, I got so many bags. I got towels. I got a lot of them in small and big sizes. So these are the small ones. Let me show you guys what the towels look like. I got more cargo pants. I literally bought cargo pants from 3 different suppliers because I wasn't sure which was going to, look nice or fit well. But this is actually very small, even though it's so great. I would have actually loved this design if it was bigger. So I'll probably give it to my sister because this cannot fit me. I got 2 of these cargo pants, but the size is just so small. I really wish it was big. Wow, this is really cute. That is so cute. So I also got another purse. This is another bag. The big towel. Another towel. And this is a dress. So this is a top. It's literally the same thing. Okay, no, it's not the same thing. Let me check the form. So this is different. This is a different fabric. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. And then this is another top. Oh. So I got it in white, in orange, and this green color. So this is another gown. I don't really like this fabric, so I initially got this gown in green color and I didn't like it, but somehow I still accidentally ordered it in this color again. But it's fine, I'll just wear it at home. Probably tops. Yes, they are tops. I'll just show you what it looks like. The quality is so good. It's so good. So I got it in black, brown, white, and beige, and I also got the orange. So I also ordered shoes. This is what it looks like. I got it in this color and black. Like, I was literally planning to change my wardrobe. Oh my god, this quality is so nice. It's so nice. Oh. This is what it looks like. And then the handle is inside. Wow, this is a shoe. But this wasn't the type of orange I was expecting to receive. The orange I saw was like burnt orange. This is not the exact orange color I saw. I don't really like sharp colors. But it's actually really cute and it's so cool. You can literally tell that it's high quality. These are tops. I won't be going through this because it's a lot. Lights. More towel. This. I need to see this one. Oh, it's actually a top. More towel. This is a purse. Why did I buy this for? I don't know if this is a singlet or a dress. Oh, and underwear. I see another pot. Oh my god, it got soaked in water. Shit. Oh shit. This is what it looks like. I'll just try to dry it. I don't even know. I didn't open them since I received them. I only opened some of them. I would try to dry this one. Okay, so this is the trouser I was talking about. Remember I said I got 3 of them, so this is another one. So these are also cargo pants. Remember I said I bought from 3 suppliers. So let's see if this is going to be my size. Oh, I doubt. Well, I'll try it on. I just hope it fits me. So this also was in here, but in a different color. You know, I used C, and I think the vessel got into water somehow. Oh my god, this actually damaged this purse. It's already going bad. I don't even know. I'll just try to dry them. Can you see this? It's already growing mold. I'll just try to dry them. I hope I can revive them. This is what it looks like. It's another dress. So this is another purse. Lastly, this is another purse. Oh. So yeah, that's all for today's video, okay?